This is the Empress Wand. It's designed specifically to optimize your results. It's crafted from ancient beyond stone, which is known for its many healing properties. The Empress Wand is designed to blissfully melt tension so that the face looks and feels relaxed. To release tension in the neck, begin using the rounded end of the Empress Wand from the base of the hairline down towards the shoulder. Repeat this stroke 3 to 5 times. The second stroke that you will use in the tight areas of the neck is to take the rounded end and go back and forth across any tight muscle. To release the pectoral muscle and open the chest, use the rounded end pointing down just under the center of the collarbone. Sweep outwards towards the shoulder. Use the rounded end of the tool, hook facing up, just underneath the center of the chin and sweep out towards the jaw. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Using the hook edge facing down, sweep from the center of the chin out towards the jaw. To address jaw tension, use the rounded edge pointing down. Sweep from the hairline down across the jaw muscle. Repeat this 3 to 5 times, then use the rounded edge pointing down and sweep horizontally across the jaw muscle. Using the hook edge pointing down, start just to the outside of the nose, sweep under the cheekbone and out towards the hairline. Using the hook end pointing up, sweep from the inside of the nose, under the eye, and out towards the hairline. Using the rounded end pointing up, sweep from the inner brow to the outer brow. When working around the eyes with your Empress Wand, use very light pressure. Pause and hold the tip of your wand at the pressure points at the inner eyebrow, the middle eyebrow, and the outer eyebrow. Using the rounded end of the tool with the hook pointing down, work from the inner forehead to the outer forehead just above the eyebrow. Use the rounded end of the tool to gently massage the spirit calming point in the center of the eyebrows. For the forehead, use the flat edge on the forehead and make small circles at the third eye and across any area of your head or scalp that you might be experiencing pain. Finish with a long smoothing stroke across the forehead. To relieve tension in the temples or headache, use the rounded end of the tool in the hairline just above the ear. Use firm pressure to make round circles with the tool in any point that feels tender.